Hi friends, I have taken a small initiative of urban beekeeping in my house at Gangtok. Though Gangtok has currently seen a huge transformation in terms of urbanization, I still feel beekeeping is important for promoting biodiversity and supporting local ecosystems. Besides producing fresh local honeys, our city landscapes can be converted into a thriving habitat for bee honeybees. Honeybees are important for agriculture and food production. I'm using all scientific techniques for beekeeping and also harvesting very precious local honeys.